In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an OpenAI API key. The process is quite simple, and together we'll walk through each step to ensure that by the end, you'll have your own API key ready for use. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your browser is up to date for the best experience. Once your browser is open, head over to OpenAI's platform. You can do this by typing OpenAI API into your search bar, or if you have the URL handy, you can enter it directly. Once you're on the OpenAI platform, you'll want to locate the section for API keys. This is where you will gain access to the tools and resources that OpenAI offers through its APIs. Now, go ahead and navigate to the part of the website dedicated to API keys. This section might be under your account settings or another logical area where account tools are managed. Look for a button or a link that mentions API keys or something similar. Once you're there, you'll see the option to create a new key. In the top right corner of your screen, there should be a clear, clickable button labeled Create New Secret Key. This is your next step. After clicking on the Create New Secret Key button, you'll be prompted to create a name for your API key. Naming your key is important not just for current identification, but also for any future reference. Make sure to choose a name that's descriptive so you can easily recognize its purpose later. This is especially helpful if you plan on creating multiple API keys for different projects or applications. With your name for the key decided, go on and click the button that says Create Secret Key. As easy as that, your secret key will be generated. This key is unique to your account. Think of it as a password or a security token that allows you to access OpenAI services through your application securely. Before you click away, remember to copy the key. Once you exit this screen, you may not be able to access the key again. You should store it in a safe place. Think of a password manager or a secure document where you keep all your sensitive information. Having your key copied and stored safely will ensure you don't lose access to the API services you've set up. And there you have it. You've successfully created and stored your OpenAI API key. This foundational step opens up a world of possibilities for integrating AI capabilities into your applications. If you have any questions or run into any issues, OpenAI provides extensive documentation and support that you can check out. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.